Here are 3 reasons why you shouldn't try hypnotherapy with me. My name's Nicole, I'm a clinical hypnotherapist and psychotherapist, helping busy, overwhelmed women to manage their busy minds so that they can focus on the things that matter most to them. Number 1, we don't focus on the problem. In fact, we rarely talk about the problem at all. And that's because whatever has happened in your past has happened. There's nothing we can actually do about that now. But what we can do is think about how you want to be, how you want to be feeling. And as the name suggests, solution-focused hypnotherapy is all about finding solutions to those problems, thinking about that preferred future, that place that you want to be in when you've ultimately achieved your goal. Number 2, what I do is based on current neuroscience research. That means that I don't wave a pendulum around, I can't make you cluck like a chicken, and I don't do any of that woo-woo stuff, I'm afraid. So if you're looking for a bit of a Derren Brown kind of act, unfortunately you're not going to get that in a session with me. And number 3, if you like staying up late, scrolling through your phone, waking up and feeling tired and exhausted, then hypnotherapy is definitely not for you. Because a lot of what I do is about helping my clients get a good night's sleep, as sleep plays a really important role in managing our emotions and stopping us from feeling so overwhelmed. Yeah, so 3 reasons why you shouldn't work with me. If you want to know any more, then do follow along and feel free to drop me a message.